The following is a lecture given by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded November 10th, 1973, in New Delhi, India.
Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you very much for your coming here, taking so much trouble to participate in this Krishna consciousness movement. And I shall simply try to draw your attention about the importance of this movement. Importance of this movement is this, that we do not know what is the aim of life. The modern civilization all over the world, especially the Western world, and nobody